Today is our opening day, opening of a dream project, opening of a center for values, opening of a career guidance center, opening of a incubator. We want to produce some more leaders to serve our society. Now, we proved that how we can change or transform a society from the darkness to a bright future by giving education. Hi, here is some of our glittering stars. We don't want to introduce the names of the guys, but you can taste or understand them within few minutes. Ladies and gentlemen, education, it makes a lot of changes in our life. Before 35 years back, we had only very small number of government employees from our village. And today, you see, in front of us a big community, totally working in government sector and different levels in the society. Education is a light. It gives us clarity in our vision. If you have a good vision, even if your path is full of gutters and muddy, you can achieve one day. That is today happen. We worked for last 15 years for the transformation of our community or our brothers and sisters. Now it's happened. You see, even this convention center also one of our dream. We never believe, but now it's also happened. Today is the opening day. We want to give you some different experience from this center. That is why we make this program with a different concept. This program is not only an opening ceremony of a convention center. There is something others than also. We are going to introduce to you some persons, those who are standing behind in the curtain. You don't see them. You didn't see the performance of those personality. You never taste such a program in your life. So, here is a new experience in your life that is never happened before. They are our leaders. A leader is one who knows the way, goes the way, and shows the way. Great leaders don't set out to be a leader. They set out to make a difference. It is never about the role, always about the goal. Innovation distinguishes between a leader and a follower. Leaders instill in their people a hope for success and a belief in themselves. Positive leaders empower people to accomplish their goal. The very essence of leadership is that you have to have a vision. You can't blow on uncertain trumpet. Leadership and learning are indispensable to each other. A good objective of leadership is to help those who are doing poorly to do well, and to help those who are doing well to do even better. The pessimist complains about the wind, The optimist expects to change. The leader adjusts to the sales. So, start from today. No need to wait others. Procrastination nothing will give you. Set your goal, then make planning, then success. Genuine leaders is not a searcher of consensus, but a molder of consensus. Great leaders don't tell you what to do. They shows you how it is done. True leaders always practice 3 R's. Respect for self, respect for others, responsibility for all their actions. True leaders don't create followers. They create more leaders. If your action inspires others to dream more, learn more, do more, and become more, you are a leader. Leaders become great not because of their power, but because of their ability to empower others. Leadership is not a position or a title. It is action and example. Leadership is the capacity to translate vision into the reality. Do what is right, not what is easy. Good leaders look for action. Great leaders look for intention behind the action. If you want to shine like a sun, burn like a sun, never ever give up. Thank you for listening me. I am Mujib Rahman from Riyadh.